OSV, aerotic and platform equipped with fire rescue boat. Handling of this course require special skill additional to normal boat handling skill. Course designed for offshore personnel and seafarers to operate this boat. The course curriculum complies with STW section 6 upon 2-2 IMO model 1.24. Purpose of this boat primarily used for SAR and MOV operation and crew transfer. Type of this boat inflatable type, rigid type and combination of both. Combination of both means bottom part will be rigid, upper part will be inflatable. If having inflatable type for rescue boat, always keep in the inflated position. Capacity of this boat 5 plus 1 person, 5 sitting in one line. Speed 3 person 4 hour at least 20 knot, and 5 plus 1 person 4 hour at least 8 knot. This boat is length is 6 meter, minimum and maximum 0.5 meter. Boat is self-righting. If boat capsize, will apply its own because this buoyancy tank is given. This boat is self-stopping boat. Thinking that you required there is emergency stop switch. You required to attach one in end with your hand, either leg somewhere, other in attach with the starting key. So one boat will capsize. So your hand and leg will pull in any direction due to that boat will stop. This boat is self-bailing boat. For self-bailing, there is a this valve is given both sides in the stern part. So you must ensure this is open, and then if in case of water will take place, just increase the speed of the boat, water will go automatically out. Engine may be OBM engine and maybe inboard engine. Some boat fitted with jet boat engine also. This engine having OBM fitted having 3 parts: power head section, this is the mid section, this is the lower unit. And this is the clamp bracket basically which is used to hold this OBM. Maneuverability and stability, this engine have sufficient. Lowering speed should be not more than 1 meter per second, and hosting speed should be not less than 0.8 meter per second. This is the cowling which covers your outboard motor engine. Here it is anti-ventilation plate. So basically this plate prevent propeller speed up and loss of boat speed by keeping the propeller better surrounded by the water. Second use, prevent air displacing water around the propeller and blade throwing water. And here it is trim tab, which is basically equalizing the steering tab, and this tab material is the zinc anode which dissolve instead of your engine, and lowermost part of the board known as the scale, so that will act as a rudder, and it will basically increase the hydrodynamic efficiency. And here you can see this is the shear pin, so basically it is a fasten propeller to shafts, and if propeller hit any salvage blade, so this will break. After that, here it is known as control unit. So here you can change the gear. These are neutral, and you make it forward, board speed will increase and board moving the forward. After that, when you want to change from forward to rear stern, then first make it neutral and then reverse. And you can start board from here, and this is a trim switch you can use for trim up and for lifting the engine and for making down engine. And this is a killer code and used for one in attach the starting key, other in attach required to leg somewhere, so boat will stop its own. That's why this boat is self-stopping boat. This boat basically starting arrangement fitted with battery. You must ensure this battery should be fully charged, and if any time this terminal is corroded, so required to use 0 mm paper, and after that apply petroleum jelly. And this is a fuel tank which is made of fiberglass, capacity of 25 liter. So you must ensure this always keep in the WW condition. And this is the air vent screw. So when you are OBM is running that side, it should be required to open 1, 2, 3 turn. And this is known as primer bulb, which is very important role for starting OBM. So you must ensure you must prime properly. And priming procedure very simple. You have to squeeze several time. When you feel pump that leave it. Otherwise, over priming can cause the boat may be flooded.
बंद करो।
हाँ.